Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can apply beauty effects to your selfie camera on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the camera app. And in here, tap on the photo tab at the bottom. Once you're in photo mode, you can switch to the front selfie camera. And in here, to change the beauty mode, you can tap on the filters button up here at the top and then choose face. Now by default it might go to filters, so you want to choose face. In face there are smoothness that you can change, the smoothness of the skin. You can change the tone, and you can also change the jawline. So drag on the slider bar at the bottom to make the changes. And then you can also change the shape of the eye, and after that you can tap on or off button to turn on or turn off beauty mode. This is pretty much like beauty mode previously that we have in older version of the camera, and now basically it is just in the filters. So you need to go into filters and then tap on the face to apply the beauty mode. And that's it. Once you're happy with the settings, you can just tap on the shoot button to take a photo with beauty effects. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.